Uh, Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Pratibhadevi, Professor ECE in Amrita Institute of Engineering and Management Sciences. Today we are going to discuss about the design thinking. What is design thinking basically? So thinking means think about something. Here what we are thinking about the design. About the design means design of what? Design of a human being's need. Okay. So many needs are there in that what? Where there is a problem. So we have to find a solution for that and we are going to design that. For example, here specifically a product. Okay. Uh, for example, I can say what are the different products examples so that it may be a soap, it may be a shampoo, it may be a eatables like a biscuit, or it may be a any grocery item. Okay. So, or it may be a toy. Okay. All these are going to come under as the product that they are going to be human needs. So it may be a animal soap also that can be designed under the design thinking problem. Okay. And design thinking is here human centered, which means that it uses evidence of how consumers, that's the humans, actually engage with a product or service rather than how someone else or an organization thinks they will engage with it. Then why is design thinking important here? Okay, it helps us observe and develop empathy with the target users. Who are the target users here? That is the people or the persons who are going to use a product. They are going to be the target audience or target users. So for their needs, we are going to design a product. Regarding that, we are going to think from the feedback or from the need requirements of people or human beings who are the target audience. So it is going to be design thinking. Well, where it is going to help, design thinking helps us in the process of questioning the problem, questioning the assumptions, and questioning the implications. So there are different how exactly design thinking goes in practically. It is going to have the 5 different steps. What are the 5 different steps of design thinking? Stage 1, empathize. Stage 2, define. Stage 3, ideate. Stage 4, prototype. And stage 5, test. Okay. Right from the problem definition till the product gets ready. So these are the 5 different stages of a design thinking. So what empathize means research your users needs. Okay. So how initially when we have an idea, we should how exactly we'll go for designing the product. That is based on the user needs, because whatever the product we are releasing to the market, somebody should be there to use it. If we know, we come to know the need of users, then only accordingly the design goes in hand to hand. Then define, that's a from the collected feedbacks from different huge number of people. We are going to define the problem based on the major needs of users. That is going to be define stage. Then ideate. Ideate is going to, we have to creating idea how the product development should go based on the problem definition. That is going to be ideate stage. Then the next stage is whenever we are about to design the product, we are not going to design the product in bulk. So we are going to design the sample pieces. That is going to be called as a prototype. So we are going to do the prototyping of the idea for the problem statement. Then we are going to test it within the firm or within the entity, within the people who are associated with the design. Then if everything goes fine, or in any refinement is required, or any changes is required, modification is required, then it is going to be done. Then the MVP, that is minimum viable products, are going to be released to the market. Minimum viable product means MVP stands for, that is, it is going to be a product only, but it is going to be associated with a lower cost, lower design cost, or lower manufacturing cost. The users of this MVP are going to be called as the early adopters. Okay, early adopters. So they are going to give the feedback based on the usage. So based on the feedback given by the early adopters, again the MEP is going to be modified or changed accordingly, and then the product is going to be designed in bulk and it is going to be released to the market. So between prototype and MEP design, there is going to be a testing phase. So where the product is going to be prototype, either it may be prototype or MEP, it is going to be tested and then it is going to be released to the market. So these are the 5 stages. They are going to be cyclic in nature. So because once the product is designed and released to the market, the manufacturer should not keep quiet, because there are competitors, there are different needs, there are different kinds of feedbacks. There may be a still problem with the product, so they all should be verified and timely changes are required. So accordingly, these all 5 stages comes in a circular fashion in cyclic nature. That is in detail. What is empathize is this. Okay. What is defined? That is the second stage is this. And what is third? Ideate. Third or fourth stage, prototype. And fifth is the test stage. So these are the 5 different stages of the design thinking steps. Some of the examples are, one is the pill pack. Okay. That is a prescription home delivery system. And second was the Airbnb. Airbnb is the American company which provides the stay anywhere. That is, either people are looking for the stay for other than the hotels for a duration of 3 days, 5 days, or 1 month. So or they may be feeling searching for this kind of stay for cost effectiveness or some other reason. Then Airbnb is going to link the customers who wants to stay away from the hotels in a homely environment, as well as it provides us connectivity to the people who wants to give their homes or their rooms for rentals for such kind of customers. That is the Airbnb example. And the next example will use Uber Eats. Nowadays we can give examples of Zomato, etc., Uber, Ola, etc. They all are also going to be the examples for design thinking. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.